Yo, what's up? It's your boy Serrano. Welcome back to another video. And so today we're going to be taking a look at the Moto G Play right here. And one of the things we're going to be talking about is protection. Now, we're not going to be talking about a case right now, but we are going to be talking about screen protection because the Moto G Play 2024, when it comes to screen protection, now I know I carry two phones in my pocket like most of the time. So what I actually think happened when it comes to this scratch that I'm seeing on this display right now is that it might have rubbed up against the other phone that was in my pocket, which was probably the Google Pixel Fold, and it created like these really nasty scratches on here. So I'm not sure if I could actually get a really good angle of the scratches right now, but you can see it kind of right there down the middle of the phone. And it kind of goes up towards the top. Let me see. So you could kind of see the scratch and how it just dug into the display, which is a little crazy. So I'm getting a little bit of notifications in the background, but don't even mind that. But let's go ahead and install the matte screen protector on here. I think it will help when it comes to trying to forget about seeing any of those smudges and scratches that are on the display. But I truly appreciate you for coming through if you're new to the crew. But if you're already a part of the crew, salute. So this is the anti-glare for the Motorola Moto G Play 2024 3-pack from Supershieldz. I actually did purchase this off of Amazon, so I'll make sure I leave the link that I use down below. But you can see Supershieldz is going to protect the Moto G Play 2024 when it comes to not only like glare, but also just from scratches and like basically the damage that was made on here. If I had this protection on the whole time, I'd have probably been having a perfect device as far as the condition of it. So a little bit too late, but this will help actually cover those up so you won't see them as much when the light hits it, because this will be a matted screen protector. So let's go ahead and take a look at the installation, and you're going to grab one out of the three from the packet, and I'm going to put the other two off to the side. So you basically follow the steps on the strips. I'm guilty of not following this a lot of the times. I just peel it off. It does come with a QR scanner and it does give you a code. So I'm gonna put these off to the side and then grab just one screen protector. You actually do get the pick though, that you can actually use to take out the bubbles from Supershieldz. But if you're still here, just type down below, I'm still here, so I know you're still kicking it with me. And I just want to remind you to hit the like button so we can get this video out to more people and help beat the YouTube algorithm, okay? I might have to turn off the phone because the display keeps turning on. So let's hit power off, and then I'm just going to power the phone off at this time. I'm going to see if I can get like a wet cloth because I keep seeing dust appear on the display. All right, I think I'm ready to go. I have some peroxide that I'm going to spray on the display. Then I'm going to go ahead and wipe it off with a paper towel. Right? You definitely got to get it perfect when you're putting this on. From there, you just want to make sure the top is actually secure too. And then you're going to go ahead and peel off layer 2, which is at the top. And it's going to expose the matte material on there. So now I'm just peeling up any additional bubbles I see on the display and getting those out. And this actually feels really good on the hand. I'm gonna go ahead and power it up so we can go ahead and take a look at it. But it's gonna be offering you like a nice matte finish. So it will be good for looking at the device when it comes to different reflections. So it kind of cancels out some of the reflections, but I'm gonna max out the brightness real quick. You could just throw away the screen protector 1 and 2 after the installation. And I think all you would really need is the water and like a paper towel. Since they don't offer the wet and dry wipe, you could just use that from around the house. But I definitely think like these bubbles. The rest of these are just going to come out automatically because it feels like a really clean installation as far as how it looks right now. So there's just like a couple of bubbles left over. You can see the Motorola ThinkShield coming up. Now the display is loading. You know, dual speakers on here as well, which is really good. So it definitely looks good with the matte screen protector on here. You can kind of see some of the places where I put my fingerprint, but you can easily get those out. Let me put my pin in here. And yeah, the display looks really good now. I can't see those scratches that I could see before. Let me put the screen off. Yeah, they're invisible right now, the scratches that I had on the display before. So it's like that never even happened once I put this screen protector on there. So it's gonna basically like eliminate you being able to see scratches even if you did scratch it before you put the screen protector on there. So it looks a lot better than it did before because of that fact. And you know, this device obviously does have some pretty good performance for the price. So make sure you watch another video about the Moto G Play 2024. I'm gonna leave right here or here, and I'm gonna hit you back, but make sure you stay locked in for more videos just like this. And if you're still here, just type I'm still here so I know you're still kicking it with me. And I just want to remind you to hit the like button so we can get this video out to more people and help beat the YouTube algorithm. I'll hit you back. I'll check you guys later. Peace.